Team 272.
This is our week 4 captain's log.
This week we focused on finishing the final design of our subsystems and cutting out the plates for them.
We also spent some time thinking about different climber ideas for Aruba.
And we tested the geometry on our prototype.
We also worked on fine-tuning our path planner for autonomous.
This weekend for lunch we're having pancakes, and the theme is
Colonial